Special precautions must be taken when conducting electric welding. Here you can see a worker preparing to weld. He will make several mistakes that could lead to an accident. Let's take a closer look. Why did the electric shock happen? Always check the equipment you are planning to use before you begin your work. In this case, the operator overlooked the damage suffered by the shield when he dropped the welding machine. Carefully check the equipment beforehand to ensure that the shield is completely covered with insulating tape. There are no cracks in the rubber film, the automatic voltage reducing device works properly, and the appropriate cable is being used. To prevent damage to welding equipment, remember to use an electrode holder when welding. Here the welder was also using work gloves wet with sweat. The accident was a direct result of electrification caused by the wet gloves coming into contact with the damaged cable. To prevent electric shock, always wear dry leather gloves instead of cloth work gloves. Also be sure to wear rubber-soled leather safety shoes. Thoroughly check the equipment beforehand and remain conscious of the fact that electricity is dangerous. These are the two keys to operational safety.